For years, the MacBook Air has reigned as the undisputed king of everyday laptops. It was the machine that proved thin, lightweight design didn't have to come at the expense of legendary battery life or smooth performance. But if you think Apple reached the absolute ceiling of ultra-portable computing, you haven't been paying attention to what is happening behind the walls of Apple Park. While millions of consumers are currently using current-generation laptops, supply chain orders, internal macOS system files, and confidential component manifests from Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company have officially exposed Apple's upcoming lightweight monster, the MacBook Air M6. And this isn't just another incremental spec bump or a routine speed update. Apple is preparing to move its iconic fanless laptop onto an elite 2nm process node, fundamentally transforming how memory, graphics, and artificial intelligence operate on a device that is less than half an inch thick. If you were planning to buy a new laptop anytime soon, you need to pause and listen to this carefully, because the MacBook Air M6 is engineered to make traditional ultrabooks look completely prehistoric. To understand why tech analysts and supply chain insiders are so shocked by these leaked files, you have to look directly at the brain powering this unannounced machine, the base M6 processor. For the past several generations, Apple Silicon has relied on various iterations of 3nm chip architecture. While 3nm chips brought incredible power efficiency, the industry has been waiting for the next massive leap in semiconductor engineering, the transition to TSMC's groundbreaking 2nm process node, known internally as the N2 process. According to leaked wafer allocations and manufacturing schedules, the M6 processor will serve as one of Apple's flagship consumer entry points into the 2nm era. Shrinking the physical distance between microscopic transistors down to just 2 nanometers allows Apple to pack billions of additional transistors into a microscopic silicon footprint. In real-world numbers, supply chain analyses reveal that this 2nm architecture delivers a mind-boggling 25 to 30% reduction in power consumption at the exact same performance level, alongside a 15% jump in raw processing speed. Think about what a 30% power efficiency jump actually means for a fanless laptop like the MacBook Air. Because the MacBook Air has no internal cooling fan, its performance ceiling has always been governed by thermal management, how much heat the laptop can safely dissipate through its aluminum chassis before the processor has to slow down to prevent overheating. By producing far less heat per clock cycle, the 2nm M6 chip allows the MacBook Air to maintain sustained peak clock speeds for longer periods during heavy creative workflows, code compilation, or high bitrate video processing, all while remaining completely silent. But the 2nm node is only half of the story. The real engineering breakthrough hiding inside the M6 chip is how Apple is physically packaging the processor components. Leaked engineering documents indicate that the M6 chip is adopting advanced wafer-level multi-chip module technology, or WMCM. Traditionally, the central processing unit, the graphics processing unit, and the unified memory chip sit near each other on a circuit board. With WMCM packaging, Apple is fusing high-speed unified RAM directly alongside the CPU and GPU cores inside a single, tightly integrated silicon package. This microscopic proximity drastically reduces data transfer latency, eliminates memory bottlenecks, and boosts unified memory bandwidth from the previous generation's 153 GB per second all the way up to an astonishing 200 GB per second. Why is Apple pushing memory bandwidth so aggressively on an entry-level professional laptop? The answer comes down to one word: AI. We are stepping into an era where artificial intelligence isn't just running in distant cloud data centers, it is running directly on your local hardware. Running massive large language models, generating high-resolution images, transcribing audio streams in real time, and editing multi-track video with AI assistance requires immense memory bandwidth and parallel processing power. To meet these demands, leaks reveal that Apple is completely redesigning the integrated GPU architecture on the base M6 chip. The M6 is expected to feature a standard 12-core graphics engine equipped with dedicated hardware neural accelerators embedded directly inside every single GPU core. Instead of sending AI workloads through a small, separate neural engine off to the side, graphics-heavy machine learning tasks can now harness the full parallel horsepower of the 12-core GPU. Benchmark estimates point to local AI execution speeds running up to 3 to 4 times faster than previous generations, allowing students, writers, developers, and creators to run private, hyper-fast AI tools right on their lap without sending a single byte of sensitive personal data over the internet. To ensure that on-device AI models don't instantly choke standard configurations, Apple is also fundamentally raising the baseline specs of the MacBook Air M6. Standard base models are tipped to feature higher unified memory configurations out of the box, backed by faster LPDDR6 memory standards. That means even if you buy the entry-level model, you won't experience stuttering or memory pressure when keeping dozens of browser tabs, high-res photo editing tools, local AI assistants, and background media players open at the exact same time. Now let's talk about battery life, because this is where the 2nm M6 chip delivers a level of performance that borders on the absurd. The current MacBook Air already sets the industry gold standard for battery endurance, easily lasting through a full workday. But when you combine a massive battery capacity with a 2nm processor that consumes up to 30% less energy, the MacBook Air M6 moves into true multi-day battery territory. Supply chain battery testing logs suggest that light workloads, such as web browsing, document editing, and movie playback, will draw so little power that users could easily get up to 22 to 24 hours of continuous usage on a single charge. You could pack this laptop for a weekend trip, leave the charging cable at home in a drawer, work continuously through flights and coffee shop sessions, and still land with power to spare. In terms of physical design, Apple knows that users adore the sleek, minimal aesthetics introduced in recent years. The MacBook Air M6 will maintain its ultra-thin, fanless wedgeless aluminum unibody construction, crafted from high-grade recycled aerospace aluminum. Internal chassis tweaks show slight optimizations inside the keyboard housing to accommodate a new, ultra-thin custom heat spreader that evenly distributes thermal energy across the bottom casing, keeping the laptop comfortable on your lap even during intense render tasks. The display on the 13-inch and 15-inch models will continue to feature gorgeous, crisp liquid retina panels with thin bezels, rich wide color support, and high peak brightness levels. While Apple is saving full OLED touchscreen displays for future high-end MacBook Pro generations, the MacBook Air M6 display will benefit from upgraded anti-reflective coatings and refined power-saving backlight control systems, further reducing screen power draw without sacrificing visual clarity. Connectivity is getting a significant forward-looking upgrade as well. The MacBook Air M6 is slated to incorporate Apple's custom-designed wireless silicon, introducing Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 support directly into the motherboard. Wi-Fi 7 brings multi-link operation, drastically reduced latency, and blazing fast data transfer speeds, ensuring that cloud backups, heavy file downloads, and high-definition video calls remain rock-solid even on congested home or office networks. Along the sides, you get two high-speed Thunderbolt ports capable of driving high-resolution external displays, a dedicated high-impedance 3.5mm headphone jack for studio audio, and the beloved MagSafe 3 magnetic charging port for quick, safe power delivery. So, when can you actually buy the MacBook Air M6, and how much will it cost? Supply chain assembly roadmaps point toward Apple sticking to its refined spring release window, targeting an official launch around March or April. Production validation testing is set to begin in secrecy as component suppliers ramp up 2nm wafer yields. As for pricing, while global component costs and advanced 2nm manufacturing processes have pushed chip prices higher across the entire tech sector, Apple recognizes that the MacBook Air is its single most critical volume cell. Lure in the Mac ecosystem. Industry estimates suggest the 13-inch MacBook Air M6 will start at a competitive price point around $1,299 in the United States, offering an unbelievable balance of extreme efficiency, 2nm performance, and sleek portability. Whether you are a college student looking for a machine that lasts for days without a charger, a remote worker needing effortless power on the go, or a creative professional wanting fanless, whisper-quiet performance, the MacBook Air M6 is shaping up to be the ultimate daily driver. The gap between thin consumer laptops and high-performance computing has officially dissolved.